A Cummins-Onan home standby system consists of two main components: the generator, located outside the home, and the transfer switch, usually located inside the home by the electrical distribution panel. The transfer switch constantly monitors incoming voltage from utility power. When utility power fails or drops below an acceptable level, the transfer switch senses a lack of power and automatically starts the generator. Within 10 seconds, the transfer switch automatically disconnects utility power and connects to the auxiliary power provided by the generator. The generator continues to supply electrical power to the home until the transfer switch senses utility power has been restored. The transfer switch then automatically disconnects the generator and reconnects the utility power. For more information, contact your Cummins-Onan dealer or visit www.cumminsonan.com.